Good morning and Jai Hind students. Today we are going to study what comes before and what comes after. So it means we are going to study before and after. Right? So we have already studied this up to 3 digit. So now today we are going to proceed it with the 4 digit. Right? So आज हम 4 digit का before and after करेंगे. Right? So, all of you, take out your notebooks and start doing with me. So, now I'm writing the today's topic, that is before and after. This is today's topic. Now, what is before means? Before means पहले. पहले क्या आता है? After means बाद में क्या आता है? Right? So now if we take a number like 4, 3, 2, 6. So what comes before and what comes after? Before means पहले क्या आता है? तो 4325 and 4326 के बाद क्या आता है? After 4327. So this is before and this is after, right? So now after this you need to understand that before का meaning क्या होता है? Before means -1 or we call it predecessor. After means +1. किसी भी नंबर में हम जो नंबर दिया उसमें +1 करते हैं, that is successor. It is also called successor, right? In class 3rd you will read predecessor and successor in place of before and after. Predecessor, right? So these are the terms. Now let's proceed with the question. Everyone write down the heading. Write here classwork, write over here date, and write heading what comes before. What comes before? This is your main heading. Underline it with pencil color. Now start doing. I will be giving you 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I don't have space, so let me erase this first. Okay. I'm writing the heading on the top so that I can use this space. Okay. So the heading is what comes before. I'm using here. Okay. Now the first question. Okay. Second, third and fourth and fifth. Now I have proper space. Now draw a line in between. You can draw a line here like this. Draw a line. Write here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and here also. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Write both the side. Now the question is given 347. पहला question है. Second question is 4322. Next question 1409. Next 4080 and 7777. Now here you have to draw the line with the pencil color like this. इसको आप pencil color से draw करोगे. Here as a blank. You can use any pencil color. It's your wish. Now let's solve the question. Okay. You can use any color. I am using black so that it can be highlighted. You can use any color. Now, what comes before 347? 347 के पहले क्या आता है? Right? 347 के पहले क्या आता है? Yes, you all know what we have to do. We have to -1 from one's place. So, 347 में से अगर हम यहाँ पे -1 करते हैं, you will get 346. What we have done? 347 minus 1. 7 में से 1 गया, 6, 4, 3. Got it? So if you have getting confused, before के लिए आप -1 कर सकते हो and after के लिए +1. Okay. So let's do the next one. Next is what comes before 4322, right? अब ones place पे क्या है 2, so 2 के पहले क्या आता है 1, so what we have to write, we will be writing here 4321. Clear? Next 1409, ये क्वेश्चन है. सो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी नीड टू सी द वंस प्लेस. वंस प्लेस पे क्या है 9, सो 9 के बिफोर नंबर क्या है, व्हाट इज बिफोर नंबर ऑफ 9, दैट इज 8. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर 1408. गॉट इट? So we have to just see the ones place and we need to do -1 there only. Okay, now let's do the next question, that is 4080, right? 4080. Now here the ones place is 0, and now if we need to subtract 1, what we have to do, 4080 minus 1. So now यहाँ पे 0 है, 0 के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, borrow. So it will be 7, this will be 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here is 7, 0, this. So what number we got? 4079 के बाद क्या आता है 80. So you can write directly also, and if you have any confusion you can solve and then you can do. Clear? If you will solve, then you will be very sure that you have done correctly. Alright. So basically which place we need to see? The ones place for before and after number. Now next question, 7777. So now अब इसके पहले क्या आएगा, ones place पे 7 है, so 7 के पहले क्या आता है 6. So it will be 7776. So this is your classwork of before. This you have to write down, and after that you have to do the homework also, right? So I'm giving you the homework. Your homework is what comes before. You will write in the same way, what comes before, and draw the line. Again in the homework also you will be writing the same way, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 question. Here will be the blank. You will be drawing this line like this with the pencil color, the way we have done the classwork. वैसे ही आप homework करोगे. Now the homework questions are 3210, next 1069, next 3000. What comes before? इसके पहले क्या आता है? You have to do that. 4289, next 599. So one is of 100, others are of thousands, right? So this is your homework for what comes before. Now we will be proceeding to the next topic, that is what comes after. Okay, मतलब उसके बाद क्या आता है. So for example, there is a number 4327. Now इसके बाद क्या आता है? For that what we have to do, ones, tens, 100,000. So ones place पे हम क्या करेंगे, +1. So what we have got, 7 plus 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, as it is other number. Got it? So now let's start the classwork. Write heading CW and heading what comes after. Okay, and here again there will be date, and I will be giving you homework for this also. Actually it is kind of revision, you have already studied, that is why I am teaching two topics together, like before and after together. Okay, if it is you were be studying first time, तो मैं एक ही बार पढ़ाती आपको एक एक टॉपिक करके, but you have already studied, that's why I am taking two topic together. And you have today you have already got the syllabus for the test, so start preparing students. Your unit test 2 is there in January, so just work hard, prepare properly for the test. All right, yes, it will be MCQ pattern. MCQ means question and उसके options रहेंगे, you have to put a tick mark. So remember that you have to practice more and more जितने topic कराए गए हैं, ठीक है. So let's do. First question is 162. Next 1935. Next 4719. Next 5389. Next 3399. So this is our today's topic. You all know what it is. So now, what is the after number? Now before that, you have to again use pencil color and draw the line with the help of scale, right? 162 के बाद क्या आता है? What is after number of 162? That is 2. वंस प्लेस पे क्या होगा? +1 करना. वेयर वी हैव टू ऐड वंस प्लेस. तो 2 की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा? 3 एंड अदर नंबर्स विल बी एज इट इज. तो 163. वी गॉट 163. Now next is 1935. So 5 is at which place? Ones place. So 5 की जगह क्या होगा? We need to add 1. So this will be 6. So the answer will be 1936. We have to add. You can do like this also. 1935 plus 1. So this is 6391. You can solve like this also. It's your wish. If you want to solve, you can solve in the rough. Okay. Next question. Your next question is 4719. Now here is 9. 9 में जब हम +1 करेंगे, it will be now what? 10, right? So 1 will be carry in the tens place. So it will be now 20. वैसे भी 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 20. So this will be 4720. You have to do very carefully. कोई mistake नहीं करना है, okay? Next. 5389. Now in the place of 9 we have to add 1, so that will be 10 and carry 1 will be at the tens place, so this will be 9. 90. 89 के बाद क्या आता है? 90. So like 5390. Clear? Last 3399, right? 399 आ रहा है. So if we add 1, I'm showing you 3399 plus 1. If we add 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So it becomes 400. वैसे भी 399 है, so it will be now 400. So we got 3400 as a answer. So you have to do in this way. जहाँ confusion लगे, you can solve it in the rough and then you can do. Now next question is your homework. So I'm writing over here. You can note it down, the date and homework. Here will be the line. You will be drawing the line over here. This will be ones, tens, 100, 1000 and ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question is 325. Next question 2089. Next question 1444. Next 3333 and 5800. Alright, so now this is your homework. Here you have to write what comes after, and again you will be using the pencil color to draw the line over here. Okay, use pencil color. So now today you have 2 pages classwork and 2 pages homework, right? I'm showing you all the work of today. This is your today's classwork. पहले आपको करना है what comes before, and then you have to do the homework of this what comes before. After that you have to write down what comes after and then iska homework. Clear? Right. So now I hope that it is clear to you what comes before क्या होता है and what comes after क्या होता है. After completing the all the topic, now only between and put the correct sign is left. So इसके बाद मैं आपको पढ़ाऊँगी between numbers, and after that there will be put the correct sign, and then I will be giving you the practice sheet. You have to solve these sheets for your unit test 2. Every time remember that you need to practice more and more, and the paper pattern will be MCQ pattern, right? So I am giving you one or two examples. You can see that, and वैसे ही आपको एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन करनी होगी, right? So now I am showing you that. So now what will be the pattern? As you all know, the way you were getting the paper वैसे ही आएगा MCQ pattern में. Like here will be question, and then here will be option like A, B, C. It might be possible you will be getting this time total 4 options A, B, C and D also, right? जैसे क्वेश्चन है मान लो 23 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, ओके, एंड यहाँ पे कुछ भी आपको क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है लाइक मान लो 4, 5, 6, 7 एंड वॉट एवर विल बी करेक्ट यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक मार्क. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. क्लियर? MCQ पैटर्न के क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है. 20 क्वेश्चन होंगे, रिमेंबर दैट. 20 क्वेश्चन होंगे और सभी 1 मार्क्स के, कोई 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन नहीं है. 20 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 1 मार्क्स. सो इट मीन्स 20 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 20 marks. Clear? And one more thing. So the topics are, first is your multiplication. Next is your division. As you have got this syllabus, you can see that multiplication है, division है, third and fourth, that is addition. You will be getting addition of 4 digit, then subtraction. Apart from this, you will be having the before, after and between, okay. Then 5, 6, put the correct sign also, put the correct sign. So these are your topics which you have to practice, okay. And क्वेश्चन कैन बी फ्रॉम योर बुक, इट कैन बी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, और आपको पूरा प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. ऑलराइट. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक देयर आर सम मोर, दैट इज राइट इन वर्ड्स. ओके, राइट इन वर्ड्स as we have done, write in figures of 4 digits and tables from 11 to 15. So these 9 topics are there which is covered in your exam. So completely learn these topic, that is table you have to learn, and other things you need to practice. Okay, so prepare for your unit test. 20 question will be there of 1 marks and the time will be 1 hour. 1 घंटे के पेपर रहेगा and you will be getting the Google form. So do it properly, practice more and more. And you all know that the paper pattern is of like this. Question 1, A, B, C, D, 4 option. जो सही है उस पर टिक करना. Then question 2, again A, B, C, D. So whichever option will be correct, you have to put a tick mark there. Means you have to click there. Clear? So this is your paper pattern and this is your syllabus for unit test 2, UT2 maths. Okay, so practice accordingly and give your best in the examination. After that you will be having annual. As we have completed these topics, so I am proceeding to annual syllabus. So you have to concentrate there. Okay, हम लोग आगे का syllabus भी करते रहेंगे and you will get practice sheet for all these topic. मैं practice sheet दूंगी, you have to solve it. As we have discussed all these topic, you have to practice more and more. All right. So that's all for today, students. Now we will continue the class in the next week. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Before after we have done, so next on Monday there will be between and put the correct sign, so be ready for that. All right, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.